YouTube, I'm Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff on Instagram. Welcome back to my channel today. Today I wanted to go over my April 2018 sewing plans with you. So in April, I would like to make about 4 things. So the first thing that I want to make is the MCCALL'S M7726. And I've actually already started this and I'm almost done. I might just tweak it a little bit. And I'm making this, I'm making View C. Out of this Ankara fabric that I just finished a jacket on, and I'll leave a link above to my latest video which shows the jacket. And this is the pretty Ankara fabric that I got in Harlem, New York. So these are the pants so far. I'm not sure if I want to take it in at the bottom or leave it kind of baggy near the bottom, so that's I'll decide that soon. And to go with that, I'm going to make the Ogden Cami by True Bias. So I'll leave a picture of the pattern right here. So far, and I'm making this out of the same crepe that I used to line my my little jacket that I made in March. And so right now I am French seaming the side. So I did, so that's where I am sewing the back to front, but I'm French seaming the sides for this, and I've also already basted on the shoulder ties. So that's where I am with my second make that I want to make for April. The third thing, and those two together, I'm participating in the Pin It Sew It challenge here on Instagram, put on by That Sewing Blab, and I have till April 30th to finish that. And I'll insert a picture of my inspiration picture right here, and I can also wear the outfit with the jacket I made. So I'll have that jacket, so the pants and the top, and then the jacket will be one whole outfit. And to go with that, the next make I'm going to have can also go with the jacket. And that is, I'm going to make New Look 6446. And I plan to make View C. So I really like this cute little jumpsuit. I'm finally going to take the jumpsuit plunge and make this one. I kept debating on, I have a couple different jumpsuit patterns, but I think this is the one I want to make. I've been wanting to make this for a while. I bought this pattern last year. I ordered the Susie magazine from Rosabella Angelica from the Sewn channel, and I'll leave a link to her channel below. And this issue, this is issue number 2 of her magazine, and in it they have 2 pictures of the New Look 6446. So I was inspired to pick up this pattern last year, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make it this month. The next thing that I plan to make is a refashion. I'm participating in the Upcycle Contest on patternreview.com, and you have to upcycle or refashion something that was already a garment. So what I've decided to use is this bridesmaid's dress that I've had in my closet for nearly 10 years. So that was the last time I was a bridesmaid, and they're coming up on their 10-year anniversary this year. So I'll leave a picture of me wearing, I just tried it on, so I'll show you a picture of me wearing the dress right here. And if I can find a picture of me wearing it 10 years ago, I'll put that there as well. So so that's this is the dress. And I plan to make the Oceanside pants by Blank Slate Patterns, and as well as another Ogden cami if I have enough fabric. But I think I should, because it is double layered. So this is the first layer, and then it has the lining. So this is originally a Bill Levkoff gown that I bought, as a bridesmaid for the my friend's wedding. Sorry, Teresa. But this is going to be refashioned instead of sitting up in my closet collecting dust. So that's the next thing I plan to make. And the next thing I want to make is this, what is it? Simplicity 8094. And that's what I'm wearing today. I'll leave, I don't have enough space here, so I'll leave a picture of the photograph that I shared on Instagram last year of this make. And before I made version E, focus, yeah, but I lengthened the front, I lengthened it a little bit so it wouldn't like be belly showing. So I'll either make that version, or I'm thinking about making this version, the tunic length version, but maybe add something to the sleeves or make it sleeveless. Or maybe I'll decide once I start putting the pattern on the fabric which version I want to make. But that's what I plan to make next. And I'm going to use the fabric I got from Hearts Fabric, because I really like the print and I don't want to break up the flowers on the print. I shared this with my with you in my last fabric haul, but I want to make so I want to make that top with that fabric. And if I have enough time, which I'm not sure, I would like to make the baseball jersey top, which is in the Stretch magazine by Tilly and the Buttons, and I'll put a picture of that here. So I plan to use this fabric. It's a pretty mint green, focus, fabric, and it has little butterflies and flowers on it, and I want to use that for the body of the fabric. And then for the sides, I would like to use this cute, this plain, it's a white rib knit that I picked up. I think I picked this up at one of my thrift store finds because it was a whole lot of rib knit. I was like, I could use that for a whole bunch of stuff. So those are my plan. I think that's it. Those are all of my plan makes for April 2018. I plan to try to do some kind of montage with my refashioning of this dress. So I'll probably just, you know, take some pictures as I'm cutting it and do like a slideshow or something, showing how I refashion it. So hopefully this works out. If the Oceanside pants don't work out, maybe I'll do the trousers or some kind of shorts with it if it's not enough fabric to do to make both. In the contest, you can use other fabric along with it. So I'm gonna see if I can get it all out of this fabric. That would be my little challenge to myself. So this should be an adventure. So those are the things I plan. Those are my plans for April 2018. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.